Greetings everyone! In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can redirect users to the Apple Store or Google Play Store depending on the mobile they use. And we will not use any plugins. Now, to redirect users, first log into your WordPress dashboard. We are already logged in. Now, let's create a page. Go to Pages, Add New Page. I will open it in a new tab. Give any title to the page. I will use custom HTML. Now, let's upload the images for downloading the app. You can also use buttons as per your theme. For now, we will use images. Here are the images we are going to use. One for Android and one for the Apple Store. Let me upload them to the media library. Go to Media, Add New Media File, select Files, and let's upload them. So they have been uploaded. Now, here is the code we are going to use. This code is simple HTML. It will add image icons, links, and give them a class. Simply add your Android app link here, basically the Play Store link, and make sure to use the same class name as we will use in our other code. Similarly, add the iOS app link here for the Apple Store and also use the same class. Here, we will add the Android image. Let me copy the URL and replace it here. Now, add the URL for iOS. Again, please add the links to your applications respectively. Let me copy this and paste it here. So it is done. Publish it and view the page. This is the dummy page and you can design it accordingly. This is for the Play Store and this is for the Apple Store. Now, let's add the custom codes to redirect users as per their devices. For that, go to Appearance, Theme Editor. Go to Theme Functions, scroll down, and we will be adding some code here. Here is the code. Copy this code and paste it here. This part ensures that the images are visible on desktops. For smaller screens, the icons will be displayed according to the devices used. You can also change this size if needed. This part of the code detects if the device is Android or iOS and displays the respective buttons on the device. Let's update it. This is done. Again, you can also change the width if you want. Now, let's refresh this. Here, there will be no changes. Now, let me try to visit this link on an iOS and Android device. Let me switch to my mobile. I am on my iPhone. Let me open Safari and go to this link. Here, you can see it only displays the button for the App Store. Likewise, let me switch to an Android phone. Let me go to the same link. Here, you can see it is showing the Play Store button. We really hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much.